You know, as a pastor and as a doctor, you get something where I could hear. I begin to imagine what other people they actually think before they talk. I hear say some boys they complain. I mean, I'll call them. Complain does say girls know they to marry. Say the pass girls to marry. I don't just say Ibrahim, no. Because if I say Ibrahim now, I say go come worry me for hospital. Eh? No. Because with the kind of things when they take care, like this, how you go use fish say the care could marry you? How? Okay, if boy go back and meet girl now, take care. The moment I see you, my heart do vroom. One nonsense. Okay, where they sit down for front of Jiffy every day, you dey see how they use romanticism word, romantic, I mean, waiting talk. They tell them. In the expect that kind thing from man, you now go come they tell themselves they from waka. They come meet care, they take care. I saw you in my dream. You're my wife. Even more. Why can you take care that kind of thing? Don't you know that the Bible says old men shall dream and young people shall see fish. So the moment you come meet again now and tell again that kind of thing that you are dream, I'm going to see say the old person. As in, it's not everybody that have the grace of the Daniels. Regina, sorry.
What if old man we dream the dream?
Let's go to the solution, please. Let's go to the solution. Anything I tell you now as a solution will work for you.
Amen.
Hey, come on, take that there. Nonsense. As soon as they talk about old people with disrespect. Now, if you see a care where you write, and you want to tell the care now that your man want to marry the care. Girls don't like normal thing, they like abnormal. So the moment you meet the girl, you tell the girl, you demonic spirit. The girl go shock. You go dey think. Why? Then you tell her, if you're the only demon in this world, please possess me.
You be mumu. Think say they wise. You are a mumu man. May God not allow them. Make them kill you.